Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Smokey Eye tutorial for y'all on this look, so if you want to know what I use, continue watching. Alright, first off I'm going to use this primer, which is my holy grail, which is the Maybelline Baby Skin. Next I'm using Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfies in the shade LG6. Next, I'm going to grab this random brush and just blend my foundation into my skin. Next, I'm using this Huda bronzer to bronze my face. Next up, I'm using another holy grail, is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Yellow to highlight my face. Now I'm going to go in with this Revolutions baking powder to set my face. Alright, now I'm going to go in and do my eyebrows. I'm using the LA Girl in the shade Warm Brown. Alright, now I'm going to set my eyebrows with this Benefit Eyebrow Gel in shade number 3. Alright, now how I get my smoky eye look, I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette. And while blending these three products together, I like to start at the outer corner of my eyelids and work inwards just so I can still continue to have that smoky eye look. Alright, now I'm going to be using this random brush and just brushing off the eyeshadow that has fallen out. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Cream Blush. I actually just got this in a little package just because I spent so much money at Ulta. They gave me a little travel set, so of course I had a whole bunch of different stuff in there. So this was one of the items in there, so of course I'm going to test it out. I really don't like cream blushes just because my skin's so oily and I feel like it just falls off my face, but hey, we'll give it a try. Alright, I put a little too much on, so I'm just going to blend it into my skin. And while doing a smoky eye look, I always like to do a wing eyeliner just because I feel like it makes my eyes pop. So I'm going in with the Clinique liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. Now I'm going to go in and do my mascara. I'm using NYX Worth the Hype Waterproof. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a dark lipstick. I always like using a dark lipstick with a smoky eye look just because I feel like it completes the makeup. I'm using Huda Beauty a matte lipstick in the shade Muse. Alright, and this is the final product. I hope y'all enjoy. Until next time. Bye guys!